Curious about buying cryptocurrency but not sure where to start? If you're already using SoFi, you can actually do it right within the app you already know. Today, I'm walking you through your first crypto purchase on SoFi. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. A quick heads up, SoFi Crypto is for trading, and you can't currently transfer crypto out. But it's a simple, user-friendly way to get exposure to the market. First, you need to enable the feature. In the SoFi app, navigate to the Invest tab and find the option to set up a crypto account. You'll answer a few questions about your experience and agree to the terms. Once enabled, you can buy. Just search for the cryptocurrency you're interested in, like Bitcoin or Ethereum, tap Buy, enter the amount in dollars, and confirm the trade. And that leads to my crucial pro tip: start small and think long-term. Crypto is notoriously volatile. Consider your first purchase a learning investment with money you're comfortable potentially losing, rather than a get-rich-quick scheme. And that's it. You've just taken your first step into the world of cryptocurrency from a platform you already trust. Which cryptocurrency are you most interested in learning about first? Let me know down in the comments, and subscribe for more clear-cut guides like this one. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.